Hey guys, so in today's video I'm eating ramen noodles and some dumplings. These are called gyoza, something like that. So I'm doing a different mukbang because I don't normally do kind of noodles and ramen and you know, Asian inspired food, and I really wanted to do it. So I have my chopsticks and I have some iced tea. I'm addicted to this iced tea. I'm just going to get into it. So what we have here, we have these cup noodles, and they're pork, and they're #1 in Japan. These are very famous in Japan, apparently. And basically, invented in Japan in 1971, cup noodles were the world's first instant noodles in a pot. Since then, we've spent many years developing the best flavours to bring to the world. In just 3 minutes, you can enjoy these exciting flavours with our authentic Japanese ramen. So these are ramen. This is ramen. It smells amazing. It does smell really good. Try not to get everywhere. So I'm using chopsticks. I am worried because I'm so rubbish. And can you see that in there? I don't want to spill it, but there we go. And then I have some spicy noodles, and these are chili chicken ramen. So this is going to be amazing. These smell really nice as well. Whoops. Just need to kind of marinate a bit, you know. Ooh. Okay. So I'm really excited actually, guys. So first of all, while they kind of cool, I also have a soy and ginger dip. Let's have, please work. Oh yes. Let's have a dumpling. I like these. So nice. So, okay, I really want to get into this noodle. I might need a bowl. People use a bowl, don't they? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh wow. I hope you like my setup today, guys, as well. I've kind of lowered the I've heightened the camera a bit because someone said that the camera was a bit too low. So let me know what you think. These are amazing. Oh my god. Don't laugh at me, guys. Go with these chopsticks. Oh, I can't even pick them up. Oh no. These are amazing. Let's try these ones. Oh my god, they're going everywhere. These are different kind of noodles, these. Let's go for it. Oh, it's hot. Very hot. Oh wow, very nice. A nice chili cake. Chicken. Oh, I like these. They have a nice kind of cake. And I really like these noodles. I've never really had these ramen noodles before. Mmm. So good. Mm. These are very hot. I think I prefer these ones, guys. And how cool is the wrapper? It's kind of like embossed. It looks so cool. I think I prefer the pork ones. I think pork is in noodles. Pork is like a nicer flavour. I think it's like a stronger flavour. Mmm. Yum. Ooh. Very hot. Not very, but I'm loving this sauce. It's so nice. Mm. So guys, I was featured in Sniper Wolf's can't say her name. Sniper Wolf, her new video. I don't really know who the girl is, to be honest. Like, I've heard of her. I heard about her with I heard her with someone to do with, oh, fuck, just speak! God's sake! Fuck me! I heard her about her. She had some kind of beef with who was it? Truthfully Trisha or something, I don't know. But yeah, she featured me in one of her videos. It's the mukbang one. And she was like, why is she eating a piece of pork? And she just picked up, not pork, piece of beef. She just, because I was eating spam. I'm shocked she doesn't know what spam is, to be honest. It's really weird. Well, thank you, Sniper Wolf. It just would have been nice if she'd have credited the videos, giving credit to the creators. But suppose she's too big for that, isn't she now? So. Pick these up. These ones, there's some that are quite pale, they've not cooked that well, which is annoying. I like these as well. These are, I like the noodle, I like the texture of these noodles. I taste the coriander. So guys, I'm nearly finished now. They're amazing. They're definitely my favourite. This, because this is literally the ends of it now. Oh, so guys, that's it for me now. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Follow me on TikTok. It's actually XXF Mattison. I gave you the wrong URL yesterday. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Mm-hmm.